Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this time with one of the latest products. This is the Google Nest Home Gen 3. I currently have the Gen 2s, and the Gen 2s are kind of outdated, and I was finally happy that Google announced some new hardware along with some new software. So the Gen 3 incorporates or integrates Gemini AI into it to make it a smarter camera. And these things are going kind of fast because I just picked it up from Best Buy. This was, I think, announced at the Wednesday event, and today there was only like two left in stock, so I was able to pick one up. I might pick up another one. I do have two facing out of my front windows, so let's quickly get into it. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So the specs on this model is 2K video recording with HDR, up to 30 frames per second, 152 degrees diagonal field of view, 6x digital zoom. Apparently, it's clear at night and up to 15 feet, and it has two high-powered infrared LEDs. Also, it has Bluetooth and dual-band Wi-Fi. And that's basically it, guys. So yeah, the new thing is the 2K recording with HDR, and AI built in and baked into this, with future, of course, updates to come to improve upon that. So let's get into it. Peel this off. Apparently, this is called, I believe, hazelnut. I almost thought it was like grayish, blackish, according to the picture. Of course, Google and their long extension cords. So that's pretty nice. Put that down. So in this particular hardware upgrade, you do have USB-C now versus the USB-A connection that they had on the previous gen. So that's pretty neat. What else do they have in here? I guess the tools. I almost thought this was an AirPod. It looks like a half an AirPod. But yeah, this is the new charging dock versus the circular one that they had in the previous one. You do have your wall mounts, which I probably will be doing. What else do they have in here? Yep, that's it. Nothing in this box. Then you have your pamphlet, which nobody really reads. Yep, nobody's reading all this. It's just basic steps. So yeah, that is the setup. I mean, not setup. That is the unboxing of the Google Nest Camera Gen 3 in hazelnut. This is going for $99 at Best Buy. Check your local Best Buy. They might be sold out. Or it could just be my Best Buy, because they don't really, this is the only Best Buy within like 15 miles. But yep, that's it for the unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. More videos to come. Peace out.